All right, so for my integrative assignment, I did a personal budgeting application, and this will ask the user for monthly expenses based on categories that are predefined. And it will also ask for income sources and then the amount of income for each source. And then it'll output to the user the amount per month and as well as the amount per day for income and expenses. And then it'll take those totals and then it will let the user know if they're above or behind based on the expenses or income. So it'll let them know if they're in debt or if they are saving money based on what they put in. Um, just a little background. Personally, I believe having a budget is crucial, and I also believe that monthly budgets are important, but I believe that it's even more important to break it down per day. So that way it makes it a little bit more real and it makes you want to hustle just a little bit more when you understand how much money you're making every day on average, and then how much, more importantly, how much money you need to make just to cover expenses or whatnot based on your categories. So, in the beginning of the program, it will welcome the user to the program, and then it will start asking for each category. So the giving category will be for charity and whatnot, savings, emergency funds. Housing will be rent plus utilities. Transportation is gas, etc. Food, obviously. Personal would be like toiletries. Lifestyle would be entertainment. Health would be gym memberships and medicine. Insurance is car insurance, renter's insurance, etc. And then debt, just to make sure that the validation is working. Debt, it would be I have a car payment and some credit cards. Then it outputs to the user the monthly total of expenses and then the per day expenses. Then the income source, I work at a kava bar and I make about $1,800 from that kava bar. And just to make sure the validation is correct, then it'll ask whether I want to enter another income source or not. And I'll say yes. The income source is Postmates, which is deliveries. I make about $200 just as a little side hustle a month. And then I will enter yes because I do landscaping when I'm not doing those two, which is another $250 a month. And then I don't. I have other ones, but right now. So that'll be my monthly income and my daily income. And then we'll find out if we are above or behind. And it looks like I am ahead by $450 a month. And then I'm also ahead by $15 per day.